Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing a box of 16 Bowman Chrome Hobby Baseball. Good luck. Oh, I hope there's a good color autograph. All right, good luck. Sorry about that. Pink. I don't think there are pink refractors in this. They do have, actually, if I can find, they do have pink ribbons in some football and baseball products. Red chrome autograph. Oh man, those are out of 5. All right, good luck, Chung. Here we go. Austin Riley, top 100. Craig Kimbrell, 428 of 499. Oh, there we go. Aflac, that could be a good card. We'll save that for the end. Jesus Tinaco refractor autograph, 488 of 499. Mike Soroka blue, 68 of 150. Oh, you got a blue wave, man. You got a blue box. Tristan McKenzie. Sadzek. Jahmai Jones. Kyle Freeland. Dylan Cease. Byron Buxton blue. 53 of 150. Soroka. Daniel Ponce de Leon. Trevor Story. All right, good luck, man. Perfect game. All-American Classic. Nick Williams. Yeah, bonus autograph. And all the blue wave cards, too. Well, Chung, thanks, man. I don't know, that last box be tough to top. I guess a good color auto. We haven't hit an orange. Mitch, you didn't get an orange in your box, did you? I don't think. Red Benintendi. No, sorry. I was asking if Mitch had got it. The orange are only in here. And I don't think he got one out of the box. I'd have to go back and look. Clayton Blackburn, 8 of 99. McCutcheon Refractor, 294 of 499. Jalen Ortiz. Ah, nice there. Miguel Sano, a rookie autograph. Nice clean auto. Refractor, and that is 214 of 499. It's a Bryant base. Hector Oliveira, 103 of 150, blue. Trevor Story, rookie. Oh, man. Good grief. Congratulations, man. Vladimir Guerrero. Forget the orange. Just get a Guerrero and a Mitch. There you go. What do you mean back a few cards? I'm not sure I know. I can go through the stack again. It's a top 100. These are refractors here, but they're all refractors. That's a refractor, but again, they're all refractors. Yeah, no, I don't think there are any other. I don't think there are any more refractors in there. But congratulations, man. So 2 boxes. 2 good boxes. Well, thank you very much. Let me know if you want to keep going. You paid too much for the first one, so okay. I think they were 96. 96 is good. Yeah, Mitch, sorry, man. I tried to pick you the right case. Just yeah, that's fine, Chung. Yes, 9. Yeah, 90's good.